I'm now going to show an alternative method for finding the Venn diagram corresponding to a given set. This method's a little more mechanical. So what we're going to do is we are going to write down the universal set. The universal set is going to consist of, well, let's see. We're going to number the 8 regions in this diagram. We're going to start by taking the region that's in set A but not in either of set B or C and call that region 1. Then the region that's in set B but not in A or C I'm going to call region 2. Then the region that's in set C but not in A or B I'm going to call region 3. The region that's in sets A and C but not in B I'll call region number 4. The elements that are in A and B but not C I'll call region 5. The elements that are in sets B and C but not in A I'll call 6. Region 7 will consist of the elements in all 3 sets, and region 8 will consist of the elements in none of the 3 sets. So whenever you have 3 overlapping sets as pictured here, it divides your universal set into 8 regions. And so we're going to say that our universal set is everything inside the rectangle, which would be the elements 1 through 8. Now, our set A are going to be the elements inside circle A. Looking at the picture, we can see that inside circle A, we have 1, 4, 5, and 7. The set B is going to consist of all the regions inside circle B. Looking at the picture, we see that's 2, 5, 6, and 7. And set C will be what's ever inside circle C, which is 3, 4, 6, and 7. So now we're going to follow the order of operations. We do what's in parentheses first, and between intersection and complement, complement gets precedence. So first we say what regions are not in B? Well, 1, 3, 4, and 8 are not in B. Now to finish the parentheses, we do B complement intersects C. So B complement we just saw was the set 1, 3, 4, and 8. We're going to intersect that with C, which we've already said is 3, 4, 6, and 7. And which elements are in both of those sets? Only the elements 3 and 4. And the last thing in the order of operations is what's outside the parentheses, which is the union. So now we're going to take set A, which we previously saw was 1, 4, 5, and 7, and we're going to union that with B complement intersects C, which we just saw was 3 and 4. Remember, union means throw them together into one big set without repeating anything twice. That is what you get. And that tells you what we're going to shade in the diagram. Since this includes 1, we shade region 1. Since 3 is in our answer, we shade region 3. 4 is in our answer, so we shade region 4. 5 is in our answer, so we shade region 5. And 7 is in our answer, so we shade region 7. Now, if you have only 2 sets, A and B, in your Venn diagram, the same method works, except instead of 8 regions, there will only be 4.